I have cracked a way by which you can get into IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, even if you have lower cards. 10th, 12th grad. Well, grad doesn't really have weightage anyways. But how do you get it? Because, see, I have lower cards, right? And I have been exploring YouTube videos, Reddit posts, Quora posts, and LinkedIn posts, everything, right? I'll look for articles, look into the finer texts of different websites or these channels. I couldn't really find anything. And I was really disappointed because, see, there is one thing that you have to study a lot and you will get in. But the second thing is that doesn't matter how much you study, you can't really get into a good college. And it is really sad. So I had this image that at first I had, ki, oh, I'll study and get into some good college. But after that, I realized after researching that, oh, maybe even if I study, I can't really get into a good college. Kind of sad. And after that, my only goal was FMS because FMS gives you a sport based call, not a academic based call, which is a edge because if you have a good score like 99.95 type shit, you might get in, right? But I was really disappointed by the fact that जा ही नहीं सकते तुम Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta. So I started researching more. I literally did put the full text, the full fine text of I am the Ahmedabad eligibility criteria, pasted it on ChatGPT and started asking them question ki, "Hmm, is there any way or something like that? Well, didn't find anything there. But then there was this one line that I came across, which gave me a way to get into such good colleges, especially Ahmedabad. See, it is a hard way, maybe a way which has very low chance of you getting in. But if you do, you'll be great, right? Because, see, no, I could find no people who were having lower cards, were not from some reservation criteria, and got it I am in the Bangalore, Calcutta. Disappointing, but yeah, let's see. See, if you get the highest score on CAT, in CAT, like top 10, top 15 actually, you might get a call irrespective of your cards. Sure, if you have a 4 or 5, I'm not sure. But a 5, 6, 7 might work. Like 5.5, 6, 7, I don't know. Right? Which is kind of giving me a hope. See, the thing is that it is fair, yaar. Like, I'm talking about myself as well because I'm in the same boat. You haven't studied for 10th, you haven't studied for 12th. And on the other hand, there is some guy who did study for 10th, 12th. He gave some good exam. He got into some good college. He studied there. He got good marks in there as well. And after that, he's sitting in the same exam as you. Of course, you'll get an edge. So how do you get the edge back, or how do you make it balanced by forming too good in that, right? So, and Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta gives you a call if you are having 100 percentile or 99.99. I'm not sure about 99.99. The top 10, right, of the whole exam. And I'm going to study like that because, see, I don't really find it's unfair. One, because of the point I said that they were studying in 10th, 12th. Second, even if they're IITians, bro, they studied after 11th, 12th for that whole JEE thing, and JEE Advanced is not that easy. It's not at all easy to be precise. Same with NEET, right? So, what do? You study a lot. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. And see, I have 6 months. I'm coming from a very low, bad college. So, if you're watching this video, you're studying for CAT, you have lower cards, and you see me studying in IIM Ahmedabad in the next year or something like that. Bro, I was coming from the same situation as yours because I have a very bad cards and I'm from a very bad college. Although I had a different reason, I was anything, but same situation. Go for 100 percentile and you'll work. You know, it's worth putting an effort either way because if you get into a college like that, your life is kind of sorted for. You you'll never have that food insecurity. You'll be above the top 10% of the country. It's just way different than what you can imagine. That's what IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta is providing you, right? And you can get it into a good college, which is not IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, be it Sambalpur or something like that, and work your way up. But what you start off, the head start that Ahmedabad gives you or Bangalore, Calcutta gives you is just way different. And the second way is to get into FMS. FMS is cool, because you get a good percentile, doesn't matter what your cards are, you'll bracket. Let's see.